On the pleasant morning of August 13, Birla Public School Ganganagar commenced the day with full energy by conducting morning assembly. Assembly began with pledge. Atmosphere was set positively.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
The assembly featured provoking thought in both Hindi and English language, following by the word of the day.
विचार उत्साह जीवन के सबसे मधुर समय का जश्न बनाने का आत्मा का तरीका है. Ethiopia is the best sole way to living the life's sweetest moment.
Many engaging activities were done like GK questions, Bharat Jano, amazing facts, number facts were included which added spark to the assembly.
World Organ Day, Donation Day is celebrated on 13th August. Bharat Jano facts for today are: India provides safety for more than 300,000 refugees originally from Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Tibet, Afghanistan and Bangladesh who escaped to flee through religious and political persecution.
Question number 1 is: what is the theme of Olympics 2024?
Let's move and celebrate.
No, the correct answer is love and share humanity.
These number facts are: number 1, there is no Roman numeral for number 0. Number 2, map of any country has 4 colors.
Essential information were even shared like news report, weather reports, sunlight, moonlight hours, and panchang marked the progression of the day.
National news: Delhi police briefs up security ahead of Independence Day celebration. Today's sunrise time was 6 a.m. and sunset time will be 7:16 p.m. Today's maximum temperature is 38 degrees Celsius and today's minimum temperature is 21 degrees Celsius.
Today's sunlight hours are 13 hours and moonlight hours are 11 hours.
Today faces of the moon in waxing gibbous.
दिनांक 13 अगस्त 2024 दिन मंगलवार, तिथि अष्टमी, पक्ष शुक्ल पक्ष, मास श्रावण.
After that, synonym of adarsh and proverb were spoken.
Proverb of the day is: the pen is mightier than the sword. Its meaning is that the words of wisdom we use on a person can have more impact from the physical strength we apply on a person.
आज का पर्यायवाची शब्द है आदर्श, अर्थ मानक, प्रतिमान.
Riddles, mnemonics, question of the day, and myth attracted students' imagination.
I am light as a feather, but even the strongest man can't hold me much more than 5 minutes. What am I? Yes, the correct answer is breathe.
Mnemonics for the day is: his last son plays rugby, cricket and football, in which H stands for hydrogen, L stands for lithium, S stands for solids and P stands for potassium, H stands for helium.
Myth of the day is that sun sets in the west because of fire-breathing dragon.
Today I am going to share some information about Industrial Revolution, which originated in England and had a huge impact all over the world. Once, the Hobsbawm, the historian, said that anything after the discovery of fire and iron that could impact on human society is Industrial Revolution. Today's pronunciation of the day is maniac. People pronounce it as maniac, but its correct pronunciation is maniac. Means a person exhibiting extremely wild or violent behavior.
Today's question of the day is there life possible on earth in any other planet?
Principal Sir shared words of appreciation.
Class has done good job today, except of course some repetition of faces were there, but I like the way the children were prepared. Almost everything has been covered up.
Following it, the birthday cards were given to the birthday stars by the Principal Sir. Harekam Singh of class 9th B has won the runner-up trophy in under 15 district badminton tournament in Sri Ganganagar. Assembly concluded with national anthem which echoed the strength of unity. Birla Public School Ganganagar a step ahead.